everybody. We're back at it again, working on the 55. We are focusing our attention to the engine and the engine mounts, and the transmission and the transmission mounts. Right now we got the engine right here on the engine stand. We are going to look at our engine mount adapter kit that we got from POL Performance online. It's made specifically for LS engines to adapt to 55 truck frame. With this kit, we can move 2 inches forward, 2 inches back. It could be more. It could be more.
You can take 2 steps.
Take 2 steps forward. Take 2 steps back.
Takes 2 steps back. How does that sound? Go?
Hey, something like that.
Yeah. Anyways, whatever.
So this kit's super fancy. We like it because we have adjustability.
Yes. And hopefully because it works.
Yep.
So.
Many options. So our plan of attack here: put our adapter plates on the engine block and our engine mounts, and mock up. See how everything's gonna sit. We were told that with this kit, we have to, with most LS swaps on these type of trucks, we have to move the AC compressor to the up top position because it gets down in the way.
But we're in California, so we don't need no damn AC compressor.
No way! Speak for himself.
Well, later on we'll get we'll get one of those, but not right now.
That's
not
right.
in the budget, right, buddy?
Yep. All right. So no AC. There you go. You heard it from the man
Yes.
himself.
Not yet.
We'll just be running this. So we'll start with throwing the plates on, and the mounts, and see how it looks. Counters on cold. Woo! Hardware kit.
Yakuza.
Yakuza.
Jacuzzi. I'm mainly gonna be the camera guy because I don't know what the hell I'm doing.
This is where we are.
This is
This is where we are. No. This is what our mount would look like assembled. Right now we just have the bolts going through it, and it has carriage bolts on the large plate going through, and it's slotted to the small plate so we can have adjustments 2 inches forward, 2 inches back. We can push the engine back towards the firewall or forward towards the radiator. So it's pretty neat that this kit gives you that adjustability. Right now we want to throw this on here, see how everything's going to look, and our AC compressor's in the way. So we knew that this bad boy might be in the way in the future as far as the front cross member goes. So we're going to remove it right now. Yep. There's a cute little tensioner, baby tensioner right here. They always go bad on these things. I'm just going to pull that belt off.
I think the belt is so good. Oh, you want a deep one? That's what she said.
Oh!
That's gay.
That was good.
Come on.
Let's see this.
Process.
Yeah, so in this process, we're going to be taking the engine off of the stand, placing it in the frame with our mounts in there. So we can weld our mounts to the cross member or the frame. However that goes. I'm just all excited because we're here. Thinking of what I want to tell you. We're just taking it step by step because when you buy purchase these kits, it's universal for more than one vehicle, so not good.
Anybody want to buy a factory air compressor? AC compressor?
Barely used.
Yes, barely used.
Reports have been flooded. No exposure to the element. No exposure to the element. Oh yeah, that'll work. That'll run. That'll fit just nice right there. Yeah.
I apologize for all the shit talking I was doing. I was not gonna lie, dude. I was all like, man, this sucks because we called them and everything.
Oh really?
Yeah, dude. I was thinking in my head, like, man, if this doesn't fit. Wait, we're still not out of the woodworks. But anyways.
Yeah.
Yes, go ahead.
That's so nice.
Oh shit. Alright. This is fucking loaded down with tequila as fuck. Not gonna lie. Alright, I might have went a little heavy on this drink, okay?
A little hard, going hard.
Yeah. Oh, shit. Alright, so, bring it out to the people. Let them know what we did. What we did. I didn't do shit.
No,
Okay,
he
so, like, get the whole thing.
No, he did it.
No.
It's his project.
I made drinks and
I'm helping with it.
Zoe's the one that reads and puts all this shit together and
Well,
figures it out.
So
Yes.
roll the engine over to this side.
Let us
We
show
had to
you.
modify the power steering mount bracket a little bit so our engine mount bracket would fit in there. Just the front of it needed a little bit of clearancing. And then on the driver's side, we removed, as we spoke about before,
Fuck me.
the
This thing is fucking strong, dude. This drink is strong, huh?
He's drinking because he knows what's to follow.
Yeah. A lot more money being
A
spent.
lot more money, a lot more time, but you know what? It's coming to fruition. It's really nice to
Yes.
see this thing progressing and moving along. Now that we have our plates in place and our motor mounts there, you can see that it moves here. This is our 2 inches of play. We're going to hook this bad boy up with the engine hoist, drop it in there, and see where we want to position this, and then weld this in place. What did they miss? Just let it happen.
Oh, yeah.
Sit. Whoop.
Yeah, I don't need to.
Sit where in that.
Yep.
To go to.
I think you just gonna lower it and start lowering it.
Yeah, but it needs to go towards you a little bit. So you back up. Small space. That's better. It's stuffing. I stuffed it. Do you think that the fat side goes up like that?
Well,
It only makes sense to do that. Yeah, why would it be like this?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we can't forget that these slide. Mine's all the way back.
Yeah.
Is that what yours is?
Right now I don't really have it. Alright boys, so let me give you guys a breakdown of what happened, okay? We obviously did not put the engine in. As you can see, it's like right there. So we got the engine and the tranny. And what we decided to do is we're gonna end up moving the cab back. That's right, we're gonna lift the cab, put it on the back over here so that we can set the engine with the tranny in there and the tranny mount. And then we'll be able to set the engine where it needs to be. So that's what's coming up on next week's show. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video, guys.
But you don't hear me though.